we have something super special happening. We have Meguiars came down from Irvine to help restore the paint on the Toyota Supra. The Supra is now 25 years old. The paint on the car is older than me. And as I'm assuming, it's probably older than a lot of you guys out there watching. So this weekend, August 11th, we're gonna be at Spokane, Berkeley. Meguiars is actually gonna do us a big favor, and they're actually gonna help bring the Supra all the way up there, as well as I'm bringing the BRZ. So we're gonna have two of our cars there this Saturday. Links will be down below if you're interested in coming out, which I highly suggest you do. We're gonna have the Hunting Company pop-up booth, and the whole entire crew is coming out there. So if you're in the San Francisco area, there's no excuse for you not to be out there. Yo, before we get started today, it's time to get some breakfast. We have the same food truck guy come every single day. And oddly enough, something that's very funny that I don't think I've ever told you guys is his name is Kevin Tran. That's the same name as our Kev Jumba. So every day at 11 o'clock, like clockwork, K Treasy comes through, and we always pick up a little breakfast, some Monty, some Red Bull, the usual, and then it's back to the car.
You got cash, teach.
I thought you had cash.
I don't have cash.
Yeah, I'm gonna be coming in.
Oh shit, I'm not ready, I'm nervous. It is a poppin' day today, guys. Like, oh fuck, why would I say guys? Who the fuck says, hey, fuck? I'm so excited. Meguiars is here helping us out and teaching us how to do detailing stuff. I've researched into detailing for the longest time, but ironically enough, I never clean my cars. It's because I don't know how to, and they're teaching us how to do it. What more can I ask for? And Daniel is here today.
So hi, Daniel.
How's it going? He loves the Meguiar memes, so he's gonna clean the BRZ for Spokane. Last you guys saw, they were washing the car, and now they're compounding and polishing the car. Let's go ask Lance what he thought about the car before we started.
What did you think of the car's condition when you first saw it?
Definitely had its wear and tear on it.
Where would you put on a scale of like 1 to 10? Of 10 being best condition, 1 being like terrible.
Honestly, for its age, I'd probably say it's about a 7.
Really?
Somewhere around there.
So it's pretty decent.
For its age, right? You
Okay.
figure it's an older car, it's got wear and tear on it. Somebody drove it, somebody washed it how many times? That's about right. So we've already washed the car, made sure everything's clean. We've removed all the bonded contaminants by clay barring the vehicle. What we're on right now is compounding the vehicle, right? And then we're going to polish the vehicle. After we polish it, we'll put a nice coat of wax on there, seal everything up, and we'll pretty much be good to go.
There's a portion of the car on the other side that literally looks like 10 out of 10. Is that like a finished product? Or like what you're aiming for? I haven't shown them yet, but
Okay.
me and Calvin were looking at it, and it's like literally a mirror.
Yeah, so they've already polished that side of the car, at least that one specific spot that you were looking at. It's almost done.
Okay.
So once the wax is on there, that'll pretty much seal everything up, and that's about it.
Awesome, let's go check that out.
What do you got?
Look at this side, guys. Look, you can see high def in my face.
Filming the car. I'm filming the car.
Through the car. You
Look
can
at this,
see
look at this.
That's so much better on camera. Bro, you can't even tell. Whose car is this? It's not your car.
I'll admit, I hate black cars. Like, some of you will remember that my first car was that BMW, and I hated black so much on it that I wrapped it matte metallic blue.
You did say that. You did say
I promised I would never get a black car ever again. I contradicted myself when I got the truck. I got that in black. And then the Supra, I didn't plan on getting this black. It just kind of happened. But I will say, when you have the paint in the condition of what Meguiars is bringing it back to, there is no color that is better than black. But it's how to maintain the car to make it looking perfect at all times. That's
never gonna look like this again, baby.
It will.
No, I don't. It will.
I'd argue the reason why I'm not gonna keep my car clean is because I'm simply just not educated enough on it. Obviously, I know the 2-bucket system, all this type of stuff, but hopefully today, Calvin and I can gather enough information so that we can start doing this to our cars ourselves. And that's why also Daniel today is gonna do a paint correction on this car. It's never had any work done since the paint's been done on it. So literally both of these cars are getting a 10 out of 10 cleaning, wax, everything before Spokane, August 11th. It's gonna be huge. to give you guys a sneak peek to what to expect for Spocom Berkeley. So it's in the Berkeley area, but like it's really the San Francisco area. We have limited edition shirts that are just for San Francisco. We have Miley on the back with the Golden Gate Bridge on there. Give him a peek. Woo!
Oh, thumbnail.
We're out of ship knobs. Everyone who ordered something from the website, all your orders went out today. Today is Monday, so you should have it by like Tuesday, Wednesday, no later than Thursday. We like grinded all weekend to get all that out, and Dustin's gonna be there this weekend.
Woo! Woo! Yeah! Legends Media booth, some merch, better than TJ's.
Nah, actually, he's not going anymore. Just kidding.
Stupid ass car.
Can you not roll it? Get back here. Get back here. I don't think I've ever seen a reflection in a car before. I could film this vlog through the Supra. That's how clean it is. And they also wiped down the interior and kind of buffed it up the best they could. I learned a lot today, which I'm planning to do another video with Meguiars that is a more in-depth and how-to type of video. I obviously didn't want to include a 5-hour detailed tutorial on on every step they took, but just know it is something that I know a lot of you guys are interested in. Quite honestly, I'm pretty interested in it myself. One comment that everybody did say today is that now the paint looks amazing, but these wheels are pitted, and unfortunately the wheels in their current situation, there's nothing that they could have done. They're pretty beat up, they're very old, so I think that only leaves one option, boys. Before this weekend, I might try and pick up some new wheels. There's also parts of this car that are here that I haven't showed you guys yet that is gonna dramatically change this car before this weekend. We are about to shoot another episode of the podcast. We're gonna have Dustin join in on this one. I'm gonna link it down below if you're interested in checking it out or listening to it. Check the link down below.
It's gonna be Wednesday.
Upload schedule's Wednesday, Friday, right?
Yep.
Hear that, Dad?
Yes, doctor.
Wednesday, Friday.
I'm your doctor. Yes.
Meanwhile.
Alright guys, I'm the new intern. What am I doing?
Alright, so we just finished the Dustin podcast, but I think we may have had some technical difficulties on it, so I don't know if we'll ever be live. But we just finished the Dustin podcast. Now we have another special guest in the house tonight. We got Eliminate here, Randy's here, all the boys are here, so we're gonna have Randy jump on, do another podcast with us, talk about some good stuff. Everyone's out there chatting in the office room right now. What?
I need to teach you some mic discipline.
What's wrong? Do I not talk into it enough?
No, that's not it. You're talking into the wrong place. It catches it, but you're above the filter. You're speaking like this.
Oh.
It covers your face, but you could adjust this.
I'm sorry, baby. I'll work harder next time.
8:01 p.m.
We just finished up 2 podcasts today. Really getting ahead. If you guys aren't subscribed to the podcast channel, the links will be down below. I think right now we're getting ready to go to dinner. Everyone else is kicking outside. They're gonna film a couple. Who do you know here?
I know TJ.
Nope.
We've been hanging out all day.
Nope.
Dude, it's so hot in San Diego. Dude, I don't know how you guys do it here.
What do you mean? It's
I know Noah.
It's literally this. It's humid here?
Yeah.
Dude, it's pretty.
We're spoiled. We're spoiled. It's pretty easy.
Yeah.
No, we get hot.
Like, we're complaining all day. Dude, TJ, your shop is fucking sick, bro. We're gonna have one. It's gonna be sick.
I hope so.
Someday. One day.
Yeah, hopefully we can come up to your guys' shop and wreak havoc.
Boom, that'll be sick. We're trying to kill it, bro. Let's do some crazy stuff this year. I'm down.
We talked about it.
Let's go skydiving and then land inside of a S2000 and then
A moving
drive it.
convertible.
That'd be
Land
so
in the middle. Wait, did you sit in
Wait,
the
you forgot about the punching the sharks. Punching
You
the
gotta
sharks.
punch
part.
sharks as you're falling from
Sharknado? It's a
We gotta
really,
go.
it's a booming industry. It only makes sense that we tap into it.
That's an industry.
There's like 5 movies or something.
Oh yeah, there's like 5 of them. There's so many. It's big money. I'm like losing my voice after today. There was so much going on. We did so many podcast episodes. We're getting ready for this weekend. I really hope I get to see a lot of you guys out there at Berkeley. I'm super tired. I'm gonna end this on a pretty slow note. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. Peace out and keep moving forward.